In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a welder's mask from the company VEVOR. Check this out, everybody. Now, I've had products from these guys before. I had a right angle grinder that I was very impressed with, but let me just kind of like go over some of the specs of this thing. So the filter model on this thing is the P20 Max, and the viewing area is 108 by 82 millimeters. Light states are 3, dark states are 4 to 8 and 9 to 13. And response time is 1/30th of a second. The response time is like where the flash of the welder comes on is where it darkens. This is a automatic darkening mask, by the way. So the power source is a replaceable lithium. It's a CR2450 battery, working temperatures 5, the arc sensor 4. So you know what, enough about that. Let me just take it out of the box. I've already used this thing, but let me show you how it came right here. This thing looks really good too. So it came like this. We won't need the box anymore. You get a little set of instructions right here. You get a clear mask. This is a replacement just in case you break that. That's what that is. Of GoPro stuff. So yeah, big thanks to VEVOR on that. I don't know if that's what you get with it, but you know what? You get that with it. And then this is an actual GoPro case. How about that? Maybe they're just trying to use up some stock. So that's what was in mine. But let me show you some of this before I put it on here. So you can see right here the different types of modes. You can turn the modes on, and let me see if you can see through it. I'll show you the sun here in a minute, but it's an auto darkening display. There's an adjustment knob right here that seemed to work really well. This is a protective shield around the front. It was very comfortable to wear. And to put this thing on, you're basically gonna take these off. Pretty simple. Oops, just don't lose it. Let me put this thing together. Okay, there it is. I've got it all put together there. You can see how it has this back tensioner. I really like these back tensioners, and that's a soft rubber membrane on the inside there. Has a sweat band up here for sweat collecting. Let me show you what it looks like on. So putting it on, you can tighten it up here and around here. These knobs tighten it up like that, and this works perfect. And when I want to lift it up, I can lift it up and look. And then when I put it back down, it just goes right up on there. There's a function knob where I can adjust it and then move it around. I like that. There's a knob right up here. And when I hit this, it's darkening it and lightening it. I like that too. So really cool that it does that feature. Tighten it down a little bit more. There we go. So that's tight. It lifts up pretty easy. Yeah, this is one of the better masks that I've had. It's got an automatic adjustment on it, so when you hit the light, it just automatically goes off. Very nice on that. This is like the watercolors. I got it in like the watercolors, and that looks really good. Let me see. There's not much sun out, but let's check the sun. So check that out. There's the sun. See how that's working? I'm showing you. I put it in the darkest mode. Now the sun is behind the clouds, so we can't really see it, but look how you can see, if you can see my fingers moving. And then see how bright it is without it. Look at that, how bright it is without it. Now watch with it. But yeah, this is something I recommend for anybody that's gonna be doing any welding or just need a good solid welding mask. The material feels really good with the logo up there, and you can put your own stickers and all that on there. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the VEVOR welding mask. See you on the next video.